Welcome back everyone. In this video I want to show you another trending filter called Photo Jigsaw Puzzle 2.0 on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect basically divides the screen into 5 vertical sections and it takes a shot of each section from left to right. I've seen users create videos on different emotions, or some users are even more creative by creating a clone image of themselves using other objects. There is a similar effect like this called the Photo Jigsaw Puzzle, but that was the first version which actually divides the screen horizontally. So let me show you how to use this effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and search for Photo Jigsaw Puzzle 2.0. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. There are 2 trending musics which you could add in your video to get more views. The first one is Chicken Wing Arab Zaf by Saif Shaf, and the second one is Pink Elephants Parade. I'll add the links in the video description, or you can make them favorites from the video through TikTok. Now you can start to create your video. Press the record button and then get yourself into position. The effect starts from the left and then moves on to the right. Each section will give you a 3-second countdown for you to get into your pose, and then it'll take a photo. As it ends, it'll give you a preview of your completed photo. And there you go, that is how to use the Photo Jigsaw Puzzle 2.0 effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.